In the vast ocean of the internet, clickbait is the digital equivalent of a flashy lure designed to reel you in. These tantalizing headlines promise shocking revelations or life-changing secrets, but often lead to content that's as satisfying as a soggy sandwich. Let's dive into the art of spotting clickbait and learn how to avoid these traps with a smile. Number 1. The curiosity gap. You won't believe what happens next. Clickbait thrives on creating a curiosity gap, that nagging feeling of needing to know more. Headlines like "This simple trick will change your life forever" are crafted to exploit the gap, enticing you to click. If a headline seems too vague or sensational, it's likely clickbait. Ask yourself, does this headline provide enough information to be credible? Number 2. Sensationalism over substance. Shocking news about your favorite celebrity. Clickbait often relies on sensationalism, using exaggerated language to grab attention. Phrases like unbelievable, jaw-dropping, or you won't believe are red flags. Approach sensational headlines with skepticism. If it sounds too outrageous to be true, it probably is. Number 3. Misleading thumbnails. Doctors hate her for this one weird trick. Some clickbait uses eye-catching images that may not relate to the actual content. These chum boxes are designed to lure you in with curiosity. However, hover over links to preview the URL. If the destination seems dubious or unrelated to the headline, steer clear. Number 4. Overuse of lists. Top 10 secrets to eternal youth. Listicles are popular in clickbait because they're easy to skim and share. However, they often lack depth and provide little value. Consider the source. Reputable sites may use lists, but they back them up with quality content. If the list seems superficial, it might be clickbait. Number 5. Emotional manipulation. This heartwarming story will restore your faith in humanity. Clickbait often tugs at your heartstrings or provokes outrage to elicit a click. This rage baiting is designed to manipulate your emotions. Be mindful of your emotional responses. If a headline seems designed to provoke a strong reaction, it's worth questioning its intent. Number 6. Impersonation of legitimate sources. Breaking news from CNN. Some clickbait mimics reputable news outlets to appear credible. These fake news websites use similar logos and layouts to deceive readers. Verify the source. Click the URL and look for official verification marks. If something feels off, it probably is. Number 7. Promises of exclusive content. Only here, the secret the government doesn't want you to know. Clickbait often promises exclusive or hidden information to entice clicks. These claims are usually baseless and designed to exploit your curiosity. Be skeptical of grandiose claims. Reliable information is typically available from multiple reputable sources. Number 8. Poor grammar and spelling. You won't believe what happened next. Many clickbait articles are hastily written and riddled with errors. This lack of professionalism is a telltale sign. Trust your instincts. If a headline looks unprofessional, it's likely not worth your time. Number 9. Overemphasis on virility. This video is taking the internet by storm. Clickbait often emphasizes how popular or viral something is to create a fear of missing out. Remember, Popularity doesn't equate to quality. Just because something is viral doesn't mean it's valuable. Number 10. The bait and switch. Free iPhone just for you. Some clickbait promises something enticing, but delivers something entirely different, often leading to ads or scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid offers that seem overly generous or unrealistic. In conclusion, navigating the internet's sea of content requires a discerning eye. By recognizing these common clickbait tactics, you can avoid the traps and focus on content that truly enriches your online experience. Stay safe, stay secure, and stay curious, but also stay critical. Your time and attention are valuable. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.